Looking for a place to call home in the diverse capital city of Washington, D.C.? Presenting Harrington Housing Foggy Bottom, a student accommodation that redefines the essence of comfort and convenience. Nestled in close proximity to Virginia Ave Highway, Harrington Housing Foggy Bottom boasts an impressive selection of upscale shared apartments, where each bedroom comes fully furnished with a luxuriously plush bed, a dedicated study desk, and a television. Taking your social experiences to new heights, the property also offers a communal lounge, on-site gym, and state-of-the-art co-working spaces. What's more, enjoy a worry-free stay with inclusive bills covering electricity, heating, water, and Wi-Fi. For your academic pursuits, George Washington University is a mere 5-minute walk, and American University is just a short ride away. On weekends, explore the diverse neighborhood brimming with delectable dining options and cozy cafes like the Magic Gourd Restaurant and Casey's Coffee Incorporated. Plus, the Virginia Ave Northwest and G Street Northwest bus stop is a minute's walk. So, what's holding you back? Visit amberstudent.com now to secure an unforgettable stay at Harrington Housing Foggy Bottom, your ultimate home away from home.